Here I have HUAWEI P20 Pro, and let me show you how to enter the download mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's prepare the USB-C cable right here. This cable is connected to my PC. Now let's use the volume down and volume up. Let's hold down together these two keys, so let's use this combination of keys, volume down and volume up, and by holding these keys, connect your phone by using the USB-C cable. Keep holding both keys. Now we can release both keys. As you can see, the HUAWEI P20 Pro is trying to install the update. So it means that you are in a download mode. You can try to upgrade your software, or if you are not flashing your device, if you are not installing an update, you can press power key to quit this mode. The warning pops up, but if you are not doing anything with the update, you can keep holding power key. Now the device is black, so the phone is restarting. Let me disconnect my device from my USB-C cable. Let's wait until the home screen pops up. The phone is booting into a normal mode. And that's it. Now you can unlock the phone and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.